So to find the inverse of this function, like you do with all other inverses, you change the x's and the y's with each other. So this is your y, that turns into an x. Both of those x's turn into y's. The tricky part now is that you need to get these y's together somehow. So move this over there, multiply. 2y minus 4 times x equals y plus 1. Now distribute the x in. So 2yx minus 4x equals y plus 1. Now move that over there and move the y to the other side, because remember, you want to get the y's together. So I'm subtracting y and I'm adding 4x. Follow that? Now take the y out. So y factors out of there and you get 2x minus 1 equals 1 plus 4x. And now divide both sides by that. 1 plus 4x all over 2x minus 1.